Let me tell you, I wanted to be that YouTuber so bad, yeah, that wants to like film in the aisles and do all of this. I'm on my way to White City, and for those who don't know where White City is, it's West London. I'm going to her house to have like an all-day meeting, basically, regarding the new music video that's happening on a project. Da 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 da. Like, you get the gist. So I'm gonna try and take you guys to White City with me, so you can kind of see where I'm chilling for the day. But this is what I would say almost a normal work day looks like for me. The majority of it's working from home, so something different.
We're making money, guys. We're making money
by the end of the year.
Oh, so what are they gonna do? Kill them all?
No.
Say hi. Show them the where's it gone?
Just so you can remember what day it is.
Yeah.
It's the day that this happens.
Today.
History.
How can you ban a species of dog?
Very sad.
How about you ban foxes before you ban dogs?
I like it.
Right.
It's that easy.
They're the menaces.
careful that your email titles aren't in your thing.
Oh yeah. Got you.
NDA is always, guys.
Yeah.
Get there.
Can't nobody shit.
So let me copy everything from the west.
Okay, so right now I am off to... Where am I going? Damn, I really blanked. Right now I'm going off to... Oh, I don't even have my keys and I just locked the door. Where am I going? I'm going super drunk. I'm going super drunk to get some like lip gloss because I ran out, and cream. I literally just woke up from a nap. I don't know why I wake up and feel like I need to vlog every single time. Definitely mentioned this morning, but this is where I'm at. And then after Superdrug, I'm going to Juicy Jerk in Selfridges. So me and my friend, we're going to get some dinner, and then we're going to go West London to the Cypher. So my friend Kianda Venus, she's running a Cypher with Tap In, and just going to have some random eyes come and spit bars in a corner shop. Sick. Absolute great idea. Super last minute, but so fun. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me tell you, I wanted to be that YouTuber so bad, yeah, that wants to like film in the aisles and do all of this. In Superdrug. But there was way too many people, it was overcrowded, and yeah, I had anxiety, so right now I'm in Morrison's. I went to go pick up this little piece of watermelon. I just want to snack like something fruity and something light and healthy, but I don't know. So now I'm in Morrison's doing a vlog. Should I do the walk past? Let me do the walk past. Maybe it was a laugh. Oh my god. I just realised though, not many people notice, so maybe I could do this more often. I'm saying this now, but it's really in the evening, a Friday evening, so there's just less people. So I got distracted by something shiny. Anywho, this guy's pretty. Right now I'm in Canning Town, the new gentrified part. Gentrified being the key word. But this is cute. Sorry for the shaking. This is the staples it's gonna get. This is what summers in London actually look like. It's the best part. Let me tell you something so funny, yeah? So I'm walking, I just come out of Westbourne Park Station, and I've come around the corner and I'm looking around like, damn, rest is low-key scary, like, all these things, yeah? And then it hit me. I looked at the fence, I said, I know this. This is the carnival route. I've never been these sides of West London unless it's been carnival. That bus stop over there, I'm pretty sure I danced on top of it. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, this is so scary. It's night, I don't know where I am. I'm not even concentrating, I'm on my phone walking down the street. I thought, nah, this is not right. Then it registers. Carnival route. I know where I am. This is calm streets. Yes, honey. Tap in. What a minute. Oh, he was out of any damn. Let's go to Maggie's.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a rap on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. Do that tight dress just to enhance you like a bum bum. Never seen you before, where you come from? You got a fat boom boom, I got a long Johnson. And I would never met you at random. This must be destiny, that's why you're next to me, you feel like ecstasy. This must be destiny, that's why you're next to me, you feel like ecstasy. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a rap on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. Do that tight dress just to enhance.
Touch my forehead, chest, left shoulder, then right side. Praying my brothers are good outside. I know the vibes, I know the vibes. You're the one girl, stop rolling eyes. I find love and it slowly dies. So lullaby, don't make my eye cry. Let me hold your controller, I'm not one of these controlling guys. I want you to touch roll with the girls, them and socialize. Enjoy your life, your backside is so big, it opens eyes. I know the vibes, I know the vibes. Just cause I'm not jealous, doesn't mean I don't care. That's just not fair. I knew you were trouble, I wasn't prepared. If I were married, this might turn to scandalous.
The brain freeze. It's a lot. Oh, out of many. Tap in.
Thank you, tap in. If you're not here, you know.
Trouble is there, trouble is there, trouble been right there, trouble is there. Trouble gon' find me anywhere, trouble gon' find me, bubble and whiny. Hey. Trouble gon' find me, trouble will find me anywhere, trouble will find me, trouble will find me. It's okay, girl, bubble and whiny. They want me dead, but don't remind me, both hands around you, it's not time.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a rap on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. Do that tight dress just to enhance.
Music in the streets. He's trying to put me on lens. That's what's happening. Okay. The jog. What is happening? We're really in Whitechapel, so anything goes. Okay, so because I've been trying to organise myself, I haven't had time to just be like, hey, I'm going here today. So I'm on my way to go meet my friends from Manchester in Waterloo, and where's the plan? We're going to the Boiler Room Festival. Super last minute for me, but like I didn't plan it. And I'm super excited. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm at Waterloo. Just wanted to show my outfit while I still remember. This is the Nike two-piece set that I got when I DJ'd for them in Tottenham, and also the trainers as well. I just re-wore the whole entire outfit. These are 95s and they glow in the dark. This top's from Bershka, chains. I can't tell you. My nails look terrible, but we're not gonna get into that. But yeah, I'm about to meet the girls now. Bucky that bandit Amy is back again. That's what we're here for, it's what we love. We love it out here. Oh, and my bag is Kadani. Hope I'm saying it right, but I literally always wear that bag and it just works with the tones that I'm doing today, so that's the wave. I'm with Lily and Rachel.
It's party time.
It's party time. Look, the bottle of wine, they gave me the package. That's what's happening.
It's a gift from me to you.
Yeah, I love that. And then we're about to enter like the festival now. Girls, say hi.
Hi.
This is the outfits. Cute. We're at Boiler Room Festival. Oh, these photos are sick. Turn me on. Baby. Burgess Beach. Burgess Beach. Back to Birmingham, even though they're from Manchester, they go back to Birmingham, and then we're like, I just went toilet, but like we're right in between two stages, like the main stage and the what do we say, places plus faces stage. Hi to the vlog. What are you saying? That smile is sending me. Don't kill me. Hey guys, so it's actually the start of a new week. But I thought I'd like mesh it into this vlog because it's like, because I'm lazy. That's the real honest truth. I'm on my way to like this thing called Photo Booth Expo. I'm actually DJing and I'm hosting the event, and it's for a bunch of random people that's into like DJ kits and I guess photo booths. I'm not too sure. It's like a tech conference and it's at like a hotel in West London. This is actually my first paid presenter gig, so I'm really happy. They actually prepaid me as well, so that's great. And yeah, I thought I'd like film it as well because like I thought I'd film it because everyone has their firsts, and I've done a lot of like free content so far, but this is like my first paid one, and it's not all the glitz and glam. Sometimes it's a random I don't know the word, not expedition, I'm gonna let this word go, in a random hotel, like a conference or whatever, like expose. I think that's the word I was looking for. So it's a random like expose. So yeah, come and have a look and see how it goes. It might even be the latest thing I've ever DJ'd at. I get free reign of what I want to play. So I'm gonna do some like piano, a few edits, a bit of hip hop, and maybe some drum and bass if I'm in the mood, and some jungle. Whatever it is, it's going to represent the UK in it. Because what this event is actually, it's hosted in Las Vegas every year, and this is the first year that they've done it in London, UK, Europe, and then in fact, so it's actually quite a big deal. I guess in like the DJ world. I never heard of it before this, but trust me, I'm gonna do my research and I'm gonna do a fantastic job. So I'll see you there.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. And I wanna you make it so good. I don't wanna leave, but I gotta what's your fantasy? And I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. And I wanna you make it so good. I don't wanna leave, but I gotta what's your fantasy? Yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me now. Yeah. Give it to me now, give it to me now. I want.
Today's a really random one for me. I've just like in the last 10 minutes had the urge to make content, and I'm also technically working today, so we're just hiding the dark circles. You can hear the iMessage going off on my laptop. That means I might have to jump in a meeting soon. Yeah, I just want to get back in my content bag and just have fun with it, really. So I'm gonna do like 5 songs that remind me of autumn, winter, what I listen to in autumn, winter, something like that, something along those lines, because I know that my social identity is music and fashion. So we're gonna look cute. I mean, I put this top on, it's like a jaded top, and yeah, we're gonna talk about music. I don't know if I'll put some like jewelry on and stuff, but I might just keep it simple. I need to do my hair. This is like my hair braided for bed, so I need to take that out and then we'll continue. I don't know how much I filmed last week when I did my like weekly vlog thing. So this might be added to that vlog. Because I literally have no plans but to work from home this week. So there's nothing to film.
Lick you from your head to your toes. I don't wanna move from the bed down to the floor. I don't wanna you make it so good. I don't wanna leave, but I gotta not what's it vented to see. I don't wanna lick you from your head to your toes. I don't wanna move from the bed down to the floor. I don't wanna you make.
This is me concentrating to do my edges and the little swirl that I got going on there. I think I might brush my eyebrows with the gel as well. It's like my eyebrow hairs are too long and I haven't actually sat down to trim them. So a little bit of gel might just help me out. I don't like the way this end looks. Looks better, but it's not as cute as it could be. These are my favourite songs I know you'll love during the autumn winter season.
Whip, body, crib, got it.
There's no place quite like here.
I'm just in the cut sitting sideways. Now you're lost.
Let's take this off. The blue light readers. I've decided today I want to feel my stress. And you're going to feel it through the camera right now. That sound isn't someone messaging me like, hey Amy, how you doing? That sound is work. I have 1 hour and 20 minutes to get ready to leave the house to go and DJ at Box Park Wedding. The reason I'm feeling pressure is because the lineup for today's event is quite big. And a few of my friends are coming through, yeah. But they're also DJs and I don't want to I want to wing it like I usually do. And normally I wing it because I'm a great DJ. But today I want to impress and that's my issue. So today the lineup is Poet from Filthy Fellas and Half Cast Podcast, Remy Bergs from BBC One Extra, and Chinks from Facts Only Podcast. They're all going to hear me play. I'm not a shit DJ. That's what I know for sure. But it's like, how do I play that makes it memorable? And I've only managed to do like a half an hour set, to be honest, which is the interlude. That's the most important part. But my thing is, if the interlude runs over, I don't know where I'm going after. So I've thrown some extra songs in there, but it might not be fantastic, which I want it to be. Jeez, I'm gonna have to bleep out a lot of things because I'm swearing right now. My hair needs to be done. I don't know if I'm gonna go for a clean girl aesthetic. Yes, I am gonna go for a clean girl aesthetic because I don't have the energy or the patience to do a ponytail. And I also have 3 things to do at work, which has been delayed because people don't want to work with pace. I'm definitely gonna wing the beginning, but the beginning's an hour set, and I don't know where I'm gonna go sonically. We're just gonna have a bit. I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed, and I decided to waste 2 minutes and 30 seconds chatting to you lot. Let me just go get ready. We're just gonna ignore the sunlight coming through from my window.
I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you, you got vibes on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you, you got vibes on you. Yeah, come on, shit. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long.
Okay, it's looking a bit bulky, but I'm gonna be in a dark room, so who cares? Then, oh, hairspray. Listen. This is how I do curly looks without putting heat in my hair. I have like, you know them like flexi rods, and I like curl my hair over it and I hairspray it into place. One thing about hairspray is take care when you're taking it out, because once I don't want that like curl anymore, I put a wet leave-in conditioner and I just like finger comb it through. It goes back to normal. It's like the hairspray was never there. It literally like dissolves the hairspray, which is like the best bit.
Give me slow wine in a fast car. I get money like bastard. You know, feel it my last card. I want to know your cash app. Oh, you want to make me do shit, no? Your body's every loving. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Doing this good. Yeah, that's it. That's the swoop. This is what stressed Amy sounds like. Like I can't explain the voices that's gonna come out today.
For you, anytime you know I go there for you. And you know I'm writing a song for you. And you know I do another one for you. Yeah, cause we could go on a vacation. Have fun maybe all night long. That kind of we could go on a vacation. Have fun maybe all night long.
No way I basically did my hair and makeup in less than 15 minutes. Basically, I bought this setting spray, yeah. It is the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. It's the worst setting spray I've ever bought in my life. But I spent over like 10 for it, so I'm definitely going to finish it. But I'll just like double layer it with my NYX one. So you can see. Double layer it with my NYX one because this is almost finished. And this is all I get, so... That went in my mouth. The concealer comes right off with this. This is such a shit setting spray. Okay, let's change my outfit. Have you ever had like an item of clothing, yeah, that for your life of you cannot find? It's not in the washing, it's not in the washing machine, it's not in the could be in the wash basket. It's not in my clean clothes pile. I have a cardigan, yeah, a cropped cardigan that I bought recently. It hasn't been in my house for more than a month. I've worn it maybe once or twice. Once. I've worn it once. Can't find it. It would go perfectly with this. My favourite jeans that I got from PLT. Because it just looks good. But where is it? I just found it. No, I'm so silly. I literally looked all over the house. It's just the perfect size because it's like it's cropped. I'm actually so annoyed that I literally just found as I was ranting about it. Anyways, I'm going for it. Craziest thing, yeah, is that I'm ready, and I got ready in less than 35 minutes. Who am I? The goddamn sugar. So now I'm gonna go back and see if I can work out that 1 hour set. But I'll start that in 20 minutes. Right now I need to finish my workload. Get that done in the next 20 minutes. And I know for the life of me, someone's gonna delay me. So it might have to get ignored until tomorrow morning. The real question is, have I eaten? No. But am I sorting out music? Yep. That's my life. Okay, so now I've got to pack my bag. As usual, the people then didn't come through, so I've got to do my work tomorrow morning. And okay, what happens at this point? I don't want to bring a stand because that's going to hurt my back. Normally Box Park has a stand, the Croydon one anyway. So if it's there, it's there. If it's not there, I won't actually cry about it. That is giving me anxiety for no reason, because I don't have reason to feel anxious.
Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a rap on my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. 2 left feet don't trip and dance. The girl want me, I might give her a chance. Give her a look, she give me a glance. Do that tight dress just.
So all that's left to go in my bag is my laptop, which I'm actually using now. Let's take out this hard drive. I've kind of worked out where I want to go musically, but my thing is I need to add extra songs just to make sure that I don't run out of things to play, which I'll never run out of things to play. But what I don't want to do, if you actually want to focus, but what I don't want to do is like, oh damn, she look bald-headed unless I put my hair down like this. What I don't want to do is like go in between genres quite often. If I'm in a genre and in an era, I kind of want to stick with it for like at least 15 minutes. So that's why I'm like bulking up.
Dress just to enhance you like a bum bum. Never seen you before, where you come from? You got a fat boom boom, I got a long Johnson.